Hello students, the another problem under comparative balance sheet. The balance sheet of the company of 2 years are given below. You have to compare the values of 2 years and find out the increase or decrease in terms of amount and percentage, and then you have to interpret the values. Okay, so these are the information given in the problem. Now balance sheet for 2008 and 9, 2008, 2009, increase or decrease in amount and in percentage. Assets, first we have to write all the current assets. Now what are the current assets? Check in the problem, you will get. In the problem you have current assets. See, current assets starts from here: cash in hand at bank, bills receivable, sundry debtors, stock and prepaid expenses. These all amount you have to show here and find out the difference. If there is a increase, write plus. If there is a decrease, write minus. Okay, so 20 minus 80 is 60, so plus 60. Here difference is minus because reduced, it means minus. 2 lakh to 2 lakh 50,000 positive, 2 lakh 50 to 3 lakh 50, it is positive, minus to 2,000, it is positive. Now calculate the percentage. Difference divided by the base into 100, that is 60,000 divided by 20,000 into 100, it is 300%. 60,000 divided by 1,50,000 into 100 is minus 40%. This is plus 25. This is plus 40. Okay. After next, put a dash. Okay. Now here the total current assets, here total liability difference, it is plus 1,52,000. There is an increase of 24.52%. Okay, fixed assets, write all the fixed assets in the problem given. Same way, write down both the amounts of 2008 and 2009. Find out the difference. If it is positive, write positive. If it is negative, write negative. Then the percentage, 2 lakh, the difference, 1 lakh divided by 3 lakh 70,000 into 100, you will get 27.03. Like that you have to calculate for all these items, each and every items. Here 2 lakh divided by 4 lakh into 100, it is plus 50. If this is plus, means this is also plus. Okay, so like that you have to calculate the total fixed assets. Then total assets means A plus B, 6 lakh 20 plus 8 lakh 15,000, it is 14 lakh 35,000. These two items total and write here. Current liabilities, what are the current liabilities? Current liabilities are all bills payable, sundry creditors, other liabilities. All these are current liabilities. Okay, show the amount here. Difference, write the difference amount. If it is negative, write negative. If it is positive, write positive. This is total current liabilities. Next comes the debentures and long-term loans. Two items you have to write: debentures and long-term loans, the difference and the percentage. Total long-term liabilities also. Next, total liabilities. Total liabilities here you have equity, reserves and surplus, total proprietors fund. So all the total proprietors fund is given. Total proprietors funds is nothing but the shareholders fund given. I think in the problem, if you check, you will get see equity, shares, reserves and surplus. This will come here. Equity, reserves and surplus. This two: long-term loans, debentures, then current liabilities. Then the total of these two. Okay, these two, the total liabilities, that is proprietors fund, this is two total written. Now total of x, y and z, all the three total you have to do and find out the difference. If it is positive, positive. If it is negative, negative. Okay, now how to interpret the values? The values are interpreted in different ways, and accordingly you have to use the ways and calculate. Okay, now see, first what happens is, during 2009 there has been increase in the fixed assets, rupees 1,10,000, while long term liabilities and outsiders have relatively increased. You have to see whether the fixed assets are increased, whether the long term loan liabilities are increased. What is the increase? Write the percentage. And equity capital also increased by 2 lakhs, so it means that they have sufficient current assets to meet the long term loans, so it is effective. Next, the current assets have been increased. On the other hand, there is an increase in inventory also. Long-term loans, finance, current assets, all this, which improves the productivity or the liquidity position of the company. Reserves and surplus have decreased. Now, reserves and surplus have decreased for the last 2 years. The overall position of the company was satisfactory and need to be improved. So, these are the position of the balance sheet given in the problem. Okay, this is how you have to compare. First, you have to prepare the comparative table of 2 years, 2008 and 2009. After preparing the comparative balance sheet, you have to justify. I mean, you have to show the analysis where what is increased, what is decreased, what is a percentage of increase, decrease. It will be shown, and you have to show finally the overall position of the company has been improved. Okay. Okay, improved, satisfactory, all this you can write in your own words. Okay, by seeing the values of the assets and liabilities. Thank you.